pack opening. Let's go. Pack opening. This is my pack opening for a couple weeks. I just love these packs. Favorite packs in the game. But when the appreciations come out, they're getting a big video, guys. Dang. Well, why did I do that? Oh, in the first round? Nah. I never hoped for an elite. First round. 81. Oh, sorry. Load, please. Oops. Just logged me out. I'm making a video. Hold on. Let me take that out for a minute. Parker, be quiet for a minute. I'm back in. Second time that happened. I have a video coming up. Like, I uploaded like 2 weeks ago. And like, I never uploaded it. So we're getting that video today. And this video today. Jeez. My Wi-Fi's not working. Everybody wondering when we get a house tour. I don't think I'll ever do a house tour. Because I don't want anybody creeping up my house. So.
And shout out to my TikTok. Beast.
Whoa.
No. Beast 12335.
Wow.
What are you making? What video are you making?
Madden, but my name crashed.
Hey, and guys, another thing, guys, my channel's getting banned.
Yeah, oh yeah, can you make a video on it or no?
No, I can't, sadly. It actually said your date of birth. You can't do that.
Well,
You're
hold
too
on.
young.
So this is the worst part of our week. We'll say week. Because WRS canceled and most of this. And Parker's channel's deleted. So it's really sad to see. I mean, if my channel gets banned, I'll be really sad too. I mean, YouTube's one thing that like I really like doing. I mean, I've been. It's sad, but if my channel gets banned, then my channel gets banned. A lot of stuff. I mean, I don't think like I've been doing YouTube, like well, not YouTube, but like videos, for 8 years. 8 years. At least 8 years. I started watching wrestling 9 years ago. Stop being weird, Parker. He's weird. Oh, yeah, get out of the way now. That's what I call a fail on YouTube. Parker, please stop. So what we were doing? Oh, we're in the third round. Ooh, that's not what I want. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm probably gonna take these now. These more than anything. Sorry, it's copyright. Fudge! Copyright. There you go. They love these pack levels. I pulled so good cards. Stop, please. Stop giving me copyright, please. I need good cards. Come on. Clear eyes. Stop, please.
I want to see your packs.
I didn't pull it. Wait! Oh! I didn't pull a 91. Is that a 91 or is that an 81? Hold on.
It's a 91.
It's a 91, yeah. I'm not going to get excited by it anymore. I get too excited now. So, that was a 91. 91 Brian Shazier. I'm overhyped again, kind of. Not really, actually. I'm not overhyped. No, I'm gonna do that. No, I'm right. Okay. I get excited. Dang. That's a first. Big Chubb. Alright, Nick Nick Chubb. We'll take Nick Chubb. Oh, I should take the. No, I guess. Stop being weird.
Nick Chubby.
Stop being weird, please. You're being weird now. I don't know why you're doing that anymore.
Nick Chubb.
Stop it. Oh, what? Oh, nice. Stop, Parker, stop. He loves beatboxing now. Oh, okay.
Hi guys, and I've been
Stop.
addicted to beatboxing for a month now.
He has though. Oh my gosh! That's 2.
Nick Chubb.
Wait, so how did this happen? I pulled 86 Russell Wilson, and then a 91. And then I pulled an 87 Tyler Lockett, and then a 91. I pulled 2 of the 91s for the week 2. That's not a 91. It's an 81. I mean, I'll take those any day. Any day. Because now I can probably get 3.
Nick
Stop,
Chubb.
please, Park, please stop. I know it's been funny. I'm not going to get any 91s out of this. I'm not worried about it. This should be the best chance of getting a 91. And I've seen somebody pull a 91 out of this, but I'm not worried about getting a 91 out of this, so. Yeah. I pulled Taylor Mays, which goes to 600K, 700K. That's a lot of coins. And then the other one goes for 500K. It's like 1,200,000 coins.
Oh, a million.
I never pulled Taylor Mays to 81. I pulled the 80.
Nick Chubb.
Parker, stop being weird. How many times? Leave a comment and see how many times I said Parker, stop being weird. How many times? How many? Okay. Oh my gosh. Dude. Bro, I'm gonna chill, low key. I'm not getting excited over these cards unless they're like expensive. I think I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna wait for them to go up in price. And we're gonna try to get. I don't think they can see it, it's fine.
Wait.
Parker, stop, it's fine.
That's my channel. Beast 12335.
Stop promoting your channel, please. Okay, please. Thank you.
Yeah, and go check out Pork Chops. Just look up Electrocute the Best Fighter, and then it says Pork Chops. Click on that. It's my channel. Subscribe.
The channel's gone anyway, so I don't know if you want to subscribe. You won't be getting any content.
Freaking subscribe. Subscribe to Nick Chubb too.
Parker, stop. An error again. Hold on. I don't think this time will take this long. Guys. Forgot about the copyright. Copyright. 91, 2 91s today. Happened again. I just saw both of my 91s. Brian Dawkins was like 600K. Dude, I got like, I don't know what I got. I don't know. But, dang, only 300K. I'm kind of sad. Hold up. Let's get in there. That was no clickbait. Like, that was 291s. Dang. I just pulled 291s. I could have pulled. That was not the best pack opening, but it definitely wasn't the worst. Success. Okay, let's go to stats. We're going to try to get a 91. I don't know. Let's see. Sorry, I like playing with my retainer. I wish I got to pull a 92, but like I can't be greedy and say like I didn't pull like a cool card because I did pull. I'm looking for the best 91. Dang, like people are like low prices these days. The 50. Vincent Jackson, yeah, I don't really want him. So like Vincent Jackson, then Ryan Shazier, then Walter Jones, then Taylor Mays, then BD still. Is Jimmy Graham up here still? Yeah, so Jimmy, I think it's BD, I'm pretty sure. Whoa, wait, Reggie White. Yeah, I'm getting Reggie White. We're getting Reggie, guys. We're getting Reggie White, and we're selling him. We're selling Reggie White. We're definitely selling Reggie White. Actually, I don't know. But there will be 3 today. Honestly, here, I knew. I was like, is that an 81 or a 91? I knew it was a 91. Not the best pack opening. I've had a 90 and 91. I mean, I feel like I sound like I'm so greedy. Sorry, guys. I'm not greedy. It's just how I feel right now. I'm not even like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 more. We'll get there one day. Bye.